The long-awaited DJI Osmo Action 6 has finally stepped into the spotlight, igniting excitement across the tech community and adventure filmmaking world as new leaks, specs, and images surface online revealing what could be DJI's most advanced action camera ever. The leaked promotional visuals showcase the Osmo Action 6 mounted on a motorbike, with a new remote control module featuring an LCD display for live feedback and seamless control, designed for creators who film on the move. This fresh setup hints at DJI's focus on real-world usability, giving writers, vloggers, and filmmakers the power to trigger recordings or adjust settings instantly without touching the camera. The rugged build and golden hour lighting of the leaked footage signal DJI's continued commitment to durability and cinematic performance, suggesting a launch is imminent. At the heart of this new generation device lies a rumored 1.1-inch CMOS sensor with a variable aperture ranging from f2.0 to f4.0, a feature that's incredibly rare in the compact action camera segment and hints at DJI's intent to bridge the gap between portability and professional-grade imaging. This adjustable aperture allows the Osmo Action 6 to adapt effortlessly across various lighting environments, delivering rich, vibrant details whether you're shooting under harsh midday sun, on reflective snowy slopes, or in dimly lit urban streets after dark. Opening up to f2.0 enhances low-light clarity, while closing down to f4.0 ensures silky, cinematic control of highlights, effectively eliminating the need for ND filters. The camera's sleek new design further refines the Osmo lineage, doing away with the pill-shaped sensor zone beneath the display and replacing it with a minimalist square aesthetic. This streamlined front look houses what's believed to be a relocated color temperature sensor, now subtly placed beside the Action logo, while a newly spotted micro-opening could be an ambient light sensor or additional microphone, marking DJI's dedication to evolving both form and function. Behind the surface, DJI appears to have taken an evolutionary approach rather than a revolutionary one, prioritizing refinement and real-world usability over gimmicks. Each design tweak, battery improvement, and control addition feels deliberate and purposeful, signaling DJI's strategy to evolve the Osmo line into something that balances professional performance with rugged simplicity. When it comes to performance, insiders suggest the Osmo Action 6 will support 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second with advanced RockSteady 4.0 stabilization, a system expected to integrate AI-powered horizon leveling, ensuring perfectly balanced footage regardless of how intense the movement gets. Whether you're skydiving, surfing, or racing through forests, the horizon will stay perfectly aligned, giving content creators a cinematic experience previously limited to high-end rigs. Battery life has been one of DJI's major breakthroughs this time, with early reports suggesting a massive 4-hour continuous recording runtime, nearly double that of many competitors, like the GoPro Hero 12 and Insta360 Ace Pro. This leap not only makes it a powerhouse for vloggers and travelers, but also puts it in direct competition with cameras used in semi-professional workflows, particularly for extended outdoor shoots where battery swaps can disrupt the creative flow. And speaking of endurance, the Osmo Action 6 retains its rugged, waterproof construction, reportedly capable of submersion up to 20 meters without additional housing, and resistant to freezing temperatures as low as 20 degrees Celsius, making it an ideal companion for extreme sports enthusiasts. On the release side, the timing appears to be nearly confirmed, with new reports from accessories manufacturers suggesting that the official reveal will occur before November 10, 2025, followed by immediate pre-order availability and shipments rolling out by mid-November. DJI's pricing strategy has also generated massive buzz, with leaks hinting at a starting price of $329 for the standard bundle, $429 for the extended accessory package, and between $479 and $579 for the adventure bundle, which includes mounts, ND filters, and extra batteries. These price points are surprisingly competitive considering the rumored specs, positioning the Action 6 as both a premium and accessible camera for serious creators. DJI is not only challenging GoPro and Insta360, but is also reshaping what consumers expect from a pocket-sized powerhouse. Comparisons between the Osmo Action 6 and its predecessor, the Action 5 Pro, make it clear that this year's upgrade is no mere refresh. It's a full-scale leap. The Action 5 Pro was equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor, capable of capturing 40mm stills and vibrant HDR video. But the jump to a 1-inch sensor on the Action 6 dramatically enhances light capture and dynamic range, setting a new benchmark for color accuracy and image depth in this form factor. Moreover, early leaks suggest that the Action 6 could even flirt with 8K recording capabilities, an incredible feat for a camera this size, pushing it closer to cinema-level output while retaining a lightweight, mount-anywhere design. Another subtle but significant improvement is DJI's rumored focus on color science, with enhanced D-Log profiles allowing creators to achieve flexible color grading in post-production. Combined with a faster processor, this could make the Osmo Action 6 a dream device for professional editors and cinematic content creators. Additionally, DJI has reportedly improved the heat management system, ensuring that even during prolonged 4K or 8K sessions, the camera maintains stable temperatures without the dreaded auto-shutdown issues that have plagued competing models. The improved user interface also introduces smart menu layouts, enhanced voice control, and better connectivity options like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, optimizing the workflow for both mobile users and professionals using DJI's ecosystem of gimbals and drones. On the ecosystem front, the new control module, spotted in the leaked photos mounted on a bike handlebar, may also double as a wireless monitor or quick access hub for multiple DJI devices, allowing creators to seamlessly switch between filming on the Action 6 and controlling drones or other Osmo cameras. This kind of integration would solidify DJI's position as the ultimate creative ecosystem, appealing to hybrid creators who juggle drones, handhelds, and wearables in a single setup. The design adjustments also extend to usability improvements, including a higher resolution front display for vloggers, redesigned physical buttons for better tactile feedback, and the inclusion of a magnetic mount system with enhanced locking stability, addressing one of the most common complaints from previous Osmo users. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 6 appears to be the culmination of everything DJI has learned from years of experimentation and feedback, merging cinematic control, durable engineering, and intelligent automation into one package. For creators, vloggers, travelers, and adventure junkies, this could be the most well-balanced camera yet. One that fits in your pocket but delivers footage worthy of a film set. As the rumored release date nears, the excitement around DJI's next-gen lineup continues to grow, especially since it aligns with other upcoming launches like the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 and DJI Neo 2 drone. With so much momentum, it's clear that DJI isn't just releasing new gear. It's redefining the creative toolkit for the modern storyteller. If these leaks prove accurate, the DJI Osmo Action 6 won't just compete in the action camera market, it will dominate it, blending performance, endurance, and creative freedom like never before.